I'm sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen, but I did have to use the restroom. And I do not even know what this is. Even if I know it's for a European thing. Let's see if this is, I'm not European, AC adapter. Input. I think I can find something like this. I do not know why they sent me that one for, since I'm not in European. But we will check it out as soon as I can find one around here. Okay, now that one there is being used, so I have to get into my stash. Not unless I have one sitting out here someplace. I doubt it. Okay. Nope. Ah! Charges. Nope. Oh, come on. Don't tell me I don't got one. I know I do somewhere. I know I do. I know it. Well, can't find one there. Let's look up here. How about this one? Negative. How about this one? Negative. Bingo. Okay, now this one here is, I'm assuming it's going to work. I do not know if it is or not, but we will find out. Together. Okay. I know, don't sing, right? Hurts everybody's ears. Let's hope it doesn't burn it out. If it does, like I said before, I will be a very unhappy camper. Being that this is my favorite day, which is Monday. Well, that's working. Oh. Power's in there. Looky! It's working! Very nice, too. Wow. Okay, now let's see what we can do here. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Okay, let's put this here for a moment and go down. To me, this is not doing too good. Well, that's doing right there, but it ain't doing what I'm expecting it to do. Oh, wait a minute now. Why did I not recognize that? Did I get stiffed again by eBay? Ah, no I did not. There it is. Hey, what does this one here do? Oh, you look at that. That's not bad. Of course, that's not good either because, you see, okay. Oh, now you are doing what you're supposed to do. Yes, you see, it wasn't working the way I expected it to the first time because I was an idiot, didn't know what the hell I was doing. Okay, now we're getting someplace. Now, tighten this down here a little bit. This is going to be neat. Oh. Okay. 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 Okay, now how do I do this? Well, that's okay. Continuous shooting. Okay. Okay. Resolution, how do you do that? Oh, LED brightness. How do you do that? Okay, auto power off. Turn this down for a little bit because I can't see too well. Oh, you know what? I think I better, oh, that's how you do it. Maybe I better read the instructions before I do anything. Right, guys? Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. That's gonna have to be fixed there. That is my finger. Okay, let's turn this around here. Because there is a little glitch there and it's not making me happy. And they're too bright. Okay, that's going all the way up. But it's working, by the gods. Okay, what's that one there? Okay. Language. English, yes. Date and time. How do I do this? 21. And what is today's date? The month, okay. I think that's the month. I'm not sure. Let's go backwards and see. No, that's the month. And it is the 11th. And what is the date? The date is the 8th. Oops, let's go backwards here. Okay. Now what is the time? It's 11, mon ami. Oops, well, let's go backwards on that one. Uh-oh. That's military time. I'm not fond of military time, but Okay, and it is 15, 16, 17, 18. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 18. 15, 16, 17. Now we'll just cut that one loose. Okay. This is not bad, but I gotta figure out how to do that part. Oh, my. Are we happy? Yes, we are. Of course, I don't know what this one does. LED brightness, how do I do that? Ah, wait a minute here. Now we got this, do we not? No, we do not. Frequency. Okay, I want brightness in there. This is very, very cool. Okay, now let's get this in here. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, now another test we are going to do, if I can find that. And here it is. We will check this out. Oh my goodness! And I can do everything I need to do in this. It better fucking work. I paid $90 for it. Okay. This is very, very cool. I'm telling you what right now, this, yes, it's going to be a lot better than the other one is. And I do like the other one. It's just the fact is, it's just not doing me very good. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 3 more days away. Or 18 or whatever the hell. My cat's on my candy, diddly ding ding. Okay, let's turn this puppy around. Let's see here. In my well, anyway, that is this puppy right here. But like I say, if you get one of these people, read the instructions. Don't do like I did, almost getting ticked off. Of course, I've been hearing about pissed off, but ticked off, it sounds better to me. What? Okay. Alrighty then. Now, excuse me, but this is it. This is what I've been wanting to try to get in photo mode. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can figure this out. And when I get it all figured out, I'll come back to you. Because this puppy is going to be on YouTube, obviously. See you in a bit. Let me read the instructions. And right here is what I've been using. Well, kind of off a little bit. Let's get the camera situated where it's supposed to be. Anyway, that is it. This is damn good. Really nice. That one there, my old one, is just as good, and I'm going to take it and give it to one of my nephews. And, well, we'll see what goes on from there. Alright, okay? There we go, people. This is the camera I've been looking for all of my little life. And now what I gotta do next is get, to get the, what on earth? Oh, that's inside the, oops, sorry about that, folks. But anyway, yeah. I wonder if that thing right there could be out bad. I wonder if that could be bad. I don't know. Cause this is the second one I got with these guys right here. It's a component tester, and well, they never worked. Well, anyway, I got to get back to short reading and seeing if I can figure this out. But before we do that, let's do this. See this? It's gonna be fun. Oh my goodness! Was that good for you as it was for me? Okay, I'll see you in a bit. See you later. God bless.